Hey guys, so today I have a shoot with Z. We are doing a shoot downtown at like Factory Obscura, which is a super cool place, and you guys will see how awesome it is. But I'm super excited because we've been wanting to go back for a while, like a cool minute now. So we're finally getting the chance to go back and take some pictures, and I'm excited. But I just wanted to get this vlog started and tell you guys I'm a TikToker now. Like, what? I don't know. I was like watching them and I told my friends, like, I was like, I kind of want to start making TikToks, like the dance ones. And last night I was doing like a self-care routine and I was like, wait, why not make a TikTok out of this? So I did, and I uploaded it, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I'm officially a TikToker. Like, I don't know. I don't know why that's weird to me. I'm just like, who am I? I don't know. Pretty much just had to tell you guys that I am planning on filming a lot more TikToks. I made 2 today, so I'm excited to get those up, but I really want to do some dance ones. Like, I don't know, I really like them and they just like make me super excited. Last night I was trying to sleep. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm over here like can't stop, like and I'm just trying to sleep, and that's just going through my head as the dance moves. And then I start like moving and I'm like, dude, go to sleep. What are you doing? TikTok is ruining me. I don't know what I have become now. But I just had to let you guys know because this is crazy. I don't know what's going on with me. Just so you know, I like was in dance and cheer through a lot of my life, but then I had stopped in middle school. And I honestly loved it and I wish I didn't quit, but there was just a lot going on health-wise at the time that it was just really hard to stick with it. But I really miss it because I'm not that good of a dancer now. I can do like the basic dances, like, you know, the tango and like, you know, those types of dances. But like on my own, I'm just not a good dancer. I'm super awkward. Like you guys saw if you watched my my state fair vlog, that one, I look so awkward when I'm just like dancing, and I think of it as a joke, so that's probably why it's a joke, but like my dance moves just aren't good. So here is the outfit of the day. I am wearing these boots from Forever 21, my jeans are from Hollister, and my top is from Zoffel. Now I'm just gonna work on a YouTube video, do some stuff, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Probably work on some TikTok videos, because we're TikTokers now. Hi. Hey, baby. Hi. Hi. I love you. I love you, Mushka Butt. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. She likes her butt scratched, so she'll like turn around and put her butt right at you because she wants you to scratch her butt. I'm like, child. I see you, Z. He's over there on the seat. Hey. I was just like, when is he gonna look?
Touch me on camera like that.
Hey guys, he forgot the SD chip.
Got it now.
So he came back to his car, which was like a mile away.
Whoa! Literally a couple.
I'm just in heels.
20
it's
yards.
fine. I'm just kidding.
Not even that far away. No, it's like totally far. I would recommend making any woman walk, but I just did.
Yeah.
Sorry, women of 2020. Like I don't qualify as a gentleman anymore.
Ooh, I like that. What? Whoa, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. What?
She's done.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Oh, this is cool. Oh, there's a yellow room. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's like a giant, what's those things called? LED. It's like the, you know, the light brights. Those things that you had as a kid. You know? No? Okay. Just me. There's a big giant shoe. There's a game. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. What happened?
Oh.
I'm here, ready to walk.
She had the waist. Guys, we may have to come back. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know if I like all these photos. I mean, you can check yourself, but you know, for me, here, take your family down.
Hey. They freaking have a slide. Look at this. It's a slide.
How to go down that slide?
You have to go up, yeah, through where we just were.
I'm back at an early time. It's at 11 because that's when they open. And so like, I'm not opposed to it, but you know, we all got things to do.
Ew, there's like ants here.
Oh.
What the heck is this? It says I told you so.
Yeah, we gotta come back.
Yeah, we gotta come back sometime. Because we actually need a light. Using things as tripods. Peekaboo. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but that was not easy to do.
It wasn't.
Legs start cramping, but it's cool. Gotta do anything for the gram.
Exactly.
Hey guys, so I am back from the shoot. I am just getting home and I'm here with Chloe, my little munchkin. First off, if you want to watch his vlog, go check it out. It will be linked below. We get in, we buy our tickets, we get into the like actual part, which is like what you first see like when you walk in, and you walk into like this place and there's like a bunch of cool like artwork all throughout the place. We're like, okay, this is gonna be great, we're gonna get cool pictures in here, blah blah blah, like there's lots of lights and like just setups and like super cool stuff, right? We get in there and not even like 5 minutes after we're there, there's a worker that's up to us and she's like, hey, just want to let you guys know, like just make sure you're not blocking any entryways or whatever, like make sure that you're like staying cautious of like other people so that they like see the artwork too. And like we were literally standing on this thing that's like a one-way, like you can't like have multiple people going up and down it at once, and so like it wasn't really a big deal, so we were just like, yeah, like we're almost done here. Like we literally hadn't even taken a picture yet. It was like at that point, you know. Literally just a few minutes later, another person comes up to us and says the same exact thing, and we're like, Yeah, we're making sure we are, like, yeah, thank you. They had us like sign something like when we first got in to like get our wristbands and stuff, and it had said like that you can take all the pictures you want, blah blah blah. And so I'm like, okay, obviously you don't want us to be taking pictures in here. You wouldn't keep coming up to us and saying something, because like that's just kind of ridiculous. Like, I get that it's like a busy day and like there's a lot of people there, but like that's why there's so many areas to see, like, you know, does that make sense? So like we get in there and like the lighting's also just not very good, and it's just like the pictures aren't turning out the best. As far as Z says, I don't know, I've seen a couple of them and the ones that I saw I thought were good, but still kind of like just the lighting was like not good in there. We continue. The same lady that talked to us a minute ago tells us the same exact thing. Like, we weren't blocking anything. Anytime anyone wanted to walk by, we said, yeah, go ahead, like, go ahead and walk by. Like, you know, like, we're not blocking anything. Like, there's definitely space for people to walk. We weren't, like, telling anyone, like, oh, can you just wait a minute? Like, no, we were being nice about everything. Like, we weren't just, you know. She starts talking to us about, like, yeah, well, it might be better for you guys to just like come back another day or like rent it out or something. So we were like, we have like our meetup group. So of course we were like, oh, it would be pretty cool to like book this place out for the meet. So we like we like go and ask them how much it would be to rent it. They said $300 for 1 hour. What? $300 for 1 hour. I was like, thanks. And then also they were like, yeah, like you guys should come back when we're open, like when we first open during the week, like no one's here. And I'm like, okay, are you guys are basically just like asking us to leave without asking us to actually leave. Like that's how it made me feel, at least. And I was just like, they obviously like don't want us here. So basically we paid $30 to probably not get but maybe 5 pictures. So love that. I got some good video footage though, so I am happy about that. It's just, it really sucked that it was kind of that environment. I am a business lady. I understand that businesses like thrive by having people constantly there, and I get that they're saying like there's other days that we could come that they would be less busy to where it would make the pictures better, and I understand that, but also they were like being pushy about it. They weren't like the same guy. So I told you 2 people had come up to us. That first girl and the second guy, both of them came up to us 2 times, not just once. Like, so that's 4 times with both of them together. And that just seems very like, okay, obviously you don't want us here. I mean, it was just a weird situation, and like, I'm not trying to be mean about it because obviously I get it's a business and it's like totally up to them like what they do with it. It's just like, don't tell people like, yeah, you can take as many pictures as you want, like do whatever you want type of thing. Just be careful, like make sure you're not like blocking anyone's view of the art, whatever. That's understandable. We understood that. We were careful. And yet they're still over here like, be careful again, over and over again. Like, we're not doing anything wrong. Anytime someone wanted to walk by, like there was even a guy that he was like standing by, and I was like, oh, do you want to come through? Like, you can come through, you can do whatever. And he was like, oh, no, I like seeing what you guys are doing. It's really cool. Like, we're not bothering this dude right here, so why are you guys acting like we're bothering everyone in the place when there's a huge like amount of space? Like, there's people scattered everywhere. It's not like we were bugging people. So sorry, just had to go on a little rant there because it was just bugging me how it was making me feel for like taking pictures in there when like literally everyone that was there to take pictures. It's different that, yeah, we're taking it with an actual camera with like nice equipment instead of an iPhone. Like, not that there's anything wrong with taking iPhone photos at all. I'm just saying there is a difference. And so yeah, there was a difference in us having a camera and other people having like their iPhones to take pictures, but that's all everyone was doing. So I'm just like, okay, I just don't see what the issue was, but whatever. I mean, who knows? I really loved all the artwork that they had. It was super cool. So I do really appreciate all of that. It just seemed like rude, like you don't want us there. And like you just took our money and basically said, hey, thanks for coming in, now leave. Like, it wasn't, there was nothing nice about it. And I was just like, well, I wish I didn't waste $30, you know, like that sucks. So that's all I'm gonna say. But anyways, I hope you guys like this little story time. I think this is the end of this vlog, so I just want to say I love you guys all so much, and I hope you guys had an amazing day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. Also, don't forget to check out Z's channel. It will be linked down below. And yeah, that is all for today's video. So I don't know why I said it like that. That is all for today's video. So I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!